wonderful people! So we are here at the SMX Convention Center. Ito po yung Patrons of the Arts Davao Spring 2025. Ang ganda ng kanilang stage setup guys. Ayan. As early as 10:30 in the morning guys. Marami na pong mga tao dito at ready na po yung mga stalls. More than 250 creators ang nandito guys, showcasing their arts and crafts. Ayan, napakaganda nitong mga crochet items. And meron ding mga crunchies and bags. And on this side, meron ding mga pins and stuffed toys and many more. This is a 2-day activity here at SMX Convention Davao. And sa first day pa lang, ang dami na ditong mga bata at excited silang ma-meet and greet ang kanilang favorite art creators. As an artist enthusiast, at mako-consider ko rin ang self ko as an artist dahil marunong din ako at mahilig din akong maggawa ng mga iba't ibang arts and crafts. Etong event na to makes me realize na andito pa pala yung passion ko as an artist, and nakaka-amaze talaga itong mga creators dito dahil ang gaganda po ng kanilang artwork and kanilang crafts, and nakaka-inspire din sa mga bata na i-hone din ang kanilang talent at maging proud sa kanilang mga ginagawa.
Hi, hello, I am here on the stage. Hello, hello, hi, ayan. I hope you guys are having fun. Hello, I love the little kids. They're saying hi back. Hello, little kids. Thank you, mommies and daddies. Ayan, little kids guys. Hello. Thank you so much for coming to our very first Patrons of the Arts event here in Davao. Yan. Magbibisaya ako. Pwede niyo akong i-judge, okay? Kasi ako ay Tagalog, right? I'll say, mabuhay ang Padayal! Tama ba? Correct? Yeah, thank you so much. Okay lang talaga i-judge niyo ako from that. Okay, time check. It's 10:35. It's 10:35 at 11 a.m. We will be having our stone painting workshop at the left side of the stage. We invite, especially the little kids, na mag-join tayo sa stone painting workshop hosted by one of our dear partners, Creative Circle Philippines.